Hello viewers, my name is Mike Tibolo, a tutor with Mtech Tutorial Hub. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how you can renew your old document or damaged document or dirty document in Microsoft Word using some pretty steps. Now here we go. First and foremost, we need to launch our Microsoft Word. I'm using Word 2013. Just want to set my paper size, which is not too necessary for this tutorial. Just copy the item, the document which you want to renew, paste it there, Ctrl V. Okay. Then we make a copy of it so you could see the difference of what happened. Okay. Now the next thing you will do is to click on the Format tab. Then you click on this small arrow, wrap text. Then click in front of text so that this will come to the front, so you could easily move this. Okay. Now the next step is to move to corrections. See it here, corrections. Click on the small arrow there, in there, then it will get. Then you now get this. Then click on this, have this. Okay. The next step again is to still go back there and click on picture corrections option. Then look at it here. Then you need to make this text to look so sharp, so you need to add the percentage here. Let me increase it by 50. Okay. So the sharpness has increased. Now what is remaining is to remove this dot. So this is dirty, we need to remove it. Click on insert menu, then click on sharps, then click on text, select text there, then you select this. Okay, then click on sharp outline, click on no outline there. Is to do the same thing because I want to remove all this stuff there. No outline. No outline. No outline. No outline. Okay. Okay, no outline. Okay, now it's free of that. We've prepared the document. Then click on desktop, then click on save as type, then you select PDF, then click desktop, click save. Already have a file named this, so we need to change the name doc2 to doc23. Okay, save. So look at it, it's now looking very clean. And look at the old one. I think you can judge this yourself, that the other one is clean and this one is old. Okay, see how we repaired it. Looking better. So if you like this, please, and if it has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for onward videos. See you next time. Thank you.